kung meron pang mas mababa sa rock bottom, I was there.
Lighten up, take me on your magic
I think last year was my lowest year. Rock bottom, it took me 6 months to get over that. That was, hindi naman siya clinically diagnosed, but that was depression at its finest. That was depression. Ang galing nga, hindi lang halata eh. But you know why before kasi hindi ko siya kayang pag-usapan. Kasi hirap ako. Ayokong magpakita ng weakness.
Just come share my pillow and rain, rain, go away. I wanna hear about everything you're ever thinking. You know that I can take the truth. Call me out if you think I'm never slipping. Maybe I can turn it around. Oh yeah.
But last year, medyo, I think that was my breaking point. Kasi minsan, di ba tayo, we always go out of our way to help other people. Tulong, 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 bigay, bigay, bigay. Ang nangyari sa akin, paglingon ko dun sa timba ko, wala na palang natira sa akin. And then that broke me to 1,000,000 pieces.
Come love, share my pillow and rain, rain.